What if I told you the peace you've been searching for has always lived inside you? It's ancient, powerful, and it's called the chakra system. I used to feel overwhelmed, lost in thought, disconnected from myself. But one day, I came across a practice rooted deep in Hinduism, the 7 chakras. I didn't know then that it would completely shift how I lived and how I heal. Let me walk you through each one. The root chakra, at your spine's base, red, grounding, survival. Sacral chakra, just below the navel, orange, passion, creativity. Solar plexus in your core, yellow, power, confidence. Heart chakra, green, in the chest, love, compassion. Throat chakra, blue, your truth, your voice. Third eye chakra, indigo, wisdom, intuition. And at the top, the crown chakra, violet or white, divine connection. From the base to the crown of the head. When I began meditating on these chakras, I started with the root, visualizing a red glow grounding me. I felt safer. With the sacral chakra, my creativity returned. The heart opened me to forgiveness. The third eye helped me see beyond the surface of life. And slowly, I realized I wasn't broken. I was just blocked. In Hinduism, awakening the chakras is part of a greater journey, the rise of Kundalini, the serpent energy coiled at the base of the spine. As it ascends, it activates each chakra, bringing spiritual liberation. This is how sages meditated for thousands of years, and now it's a practice that can help anyone, even you.
So, if you're beginning your spiritual journey, start with your breath, start with light, and start with you. Follow at A Spiritual Quest for more guidance on awakening the soul, one chakra at a time.